observer. I have this system with two state variables, x1 and x2, at the output of each integrator. I also have an input and an output, and the first question is to give in a matrix form a state representation of this system. After, the idea of the exercise is to build an observer for this. So let us recall what means an observer. I have here my system where the input is u, the output is y, and this system I am interested by the values of x1 and x2. And for this I'm not able to measure them directly. And what is an observer? An observer is something where the input is y, the output of the system, and u, the input of the system, which are assumed to be measured, and the output is x hat 1, x hat 2, and they correspond to an approximation of x1 and x2. So this is what I want to build, and it is called an observer. One which is very used is Kalman filter, which is an observer, but in this lesson it's more a Luenberger observer, where there is no probability, but it just we show that there is a exponential decrease of the error between the state, actual one, and the estimated one. So the first question is to find the state variable of this system. So for this we have here the state, and I have to express x.1, x.2, and y, and this quantity has to be expressed as a function of the state itself, x1, x2, and u, the input of the system. So for this I will try to express the derivative x.1 and x.2. So note that here I have u, here I have x2, so here it's u plus x2 at this level. So u plus x2 here, and u plus x2 here. I have an adder here, so it means that here I have u plus x1 plus x2. So x.1 corresponds to minus u minus x2 due to this, plus this term, so it is x1 plus u plus x2, this one. So now what about x.2? x.2 is the sum of this plus this, so it will be x1 plus u plus x2 plus u plus x2, so it is equal to x1 plus 2x2 plus 2u, and here x2. So what I observe is that some simplification has been performed, and easily I will be able to simplify this block diagram. So in a matrix form, I can write as x.1, x.2 is equal to 1, 0, 1, 2 times x1, x2 plus 0, 2 u, and here y equal x2. Oh, it is in the matrix form. And from this one, I am able also to get a new block diagram, which will be simpler. So it will be the following. I have u here, u. Here I will put the two integrator for x1 and one integrator for x2. Recall that each state variable is associated to one integrator. And the first line tells me that x dot 1 is equal to x2, so I have this. And for the second one, I will have the sum of x1 due to this, to x2, adder here, multiplied by 2, and the output is x2. Y is there. As a consequence, I get a system which is simpler and which is described by this system. Question number 2, I have to study the stability of the system and to give the transfer function for this system after. So, question number 2. The eigenvalues of the system are given by this and this. So the eigenvalues are lambda 1 equal to 1, lambda 2 equal to 2. As a consequence, they have positive real part, and thus the system is unstable. Okay, recall that to be stable on the complex plane, the eigenvalues should be on the left. If one is on the right, then the system is unstable. Here, the two are on the right. Question number 3, I have to find the transfer function of this system. For this, I will start with the state equation and I will go to the Laplace plane, so the Laplace representation. The derivative becomes sx1 hat for the derivative is equal to x1 hat due to the one here. There is no u. S x hat 2 due to this is equal to x hat 1 plus 2x hat 2 plus 2u hat. And for the last one, y hat is equal to x hat 2. So recall that the initial conditions have not been taken into account in this Laplace transform. And from this, I have some cancellation, and recall that I have to express y hat with respect to u hat to have the transfer function. So from the first equation, I see that this one, x hat, is equal to 0. So here it simplifies, and I have this implies that y hat equal x hat 2, and s x hat 2 is equal to x hat 2 plus 2u hat. I conclude that this implies that sy hat is equal to y hat plus 2u hat, which implies that y hat is equal to 2 divided by s minus 2 u hat. The transfer function is thus this. This is the transfer function. I can recognize that there is a pole which is equal to 2, and it was one of the eigenvalues of the matrix A. But the other one does not appear. because I have some probably some simplification. So it means that some states are either not observable or non-controllable. It is what I would check after. Question number 4: is the system controllable? Is the system observable? So for this, for the question number 4, so my system is here. I can see that indeed the system U will not have any influence on x1. As a consequence, I see directly from this that the system is not controllable. But I will check this. So question number 4, to the controllability matrix. So it is given by B, AB, A square B up to A power n minus 1b, but here I stop here because n is equal to 2. So this is B. I know that B is here. This is B. And this is A. So B, AB is 0, 2. I multiply A by B and I obtain 0, 4. This is a controllability matrix. I see that the rank of this matrix is equal to 1. 1 which is strictly smaller than 2. I conclude that the system is not controllable. Of course, I see here that x1 is not controllable and it is consistent with the intuition. Now what about the observability? Observability matrix is C, CA. So the matrix C corresponds is here, and I can rewrite this like 0, 1 times x1, x2, and here it is a matrix C. So this is equal to 0, 1. I multiply C by A and I obtain 1, 2. This matrix is full rank, so the rank of this matrix is equal to 2. As a consequence, the system is observable. I can build an observer for this system. Question number 5, find an observer for the system. We generate an estimation for the state. And what we want is that the error between the estimated state x hat and the real state x converge to 0 with the speed of exponential minus t. So it means that we have to place the poles at minus 1. I will have to give this observer in a state equation form. So this is my system, and the observer usually is very similar to this system, so I will try to draw it. I have U, 2, the integrator for x hat 1, plus integral for x hat 2. Here it's y hat, and I have the 2. So it is a copy of this one. So you come from here, and normally, since it is the same system, y and y hat should be the same. But it is not exactly the case. I will have an error between the two of them. So I will take this error like this, plus minus here, and it is the error on y. And from this error, I will put inside a matrix L. So probably I will have put here L1, L2, L1, and here I will put a plus, so minus L1 because it is a feedback, so the convention is to take a minus, and here minus L2, and this error will modify the evolution of the estimated state. Now the difficulty is to find L1 and L2. This is the observer. So there is inside a simulator plus a correction. So it's often simpler to deal directly with matrices. The initial system is described by x dot equal ax plus bu, and the same for the other one is ax hat plus bu minus L, the matrix L1, L2, multiplied by Cx hat minus Cx. This is my system. Okay. If I make the difference, if I put epsilon x equal x hat minus x, then I will make the subtraction between this equation and this equation, and I will obtain epsilon x dot, because this minus this, equal, so a x hat minus x will be epsilon x. I will have a simplification here, and here I will have minus LC epsilon x. So it has been seen in the lesson. As a consequence, it is equal to A minus LC epsilon x. The error epsilon x will converge to 0 if the system for the error is stable. So it means that I should check that this matrix is Hurwitz, or equivalently that all the eigenvalues on the left part of the complex plane, and then I will have a convergence of epsilon x to 0. So it is a classical method. So I will choose, by a pole placement method, I want to choose the eigenvalues of this matrix. Or here I will put all of them equal to minus 1. So I will put minus 1 because it is a second order system. So I have to place two stable eigenvalues, and I choose minus 1. So for this question number 5, I will solve determinant, so the characteristic polynomial of this, minus a plus lc equal to the polynomial I want, s plus 1 square, because the corresponding roots are equal to minus 1. So if I solve this, I will have a determinant of, so the first matrix is S 0, 0, this one, minus A. A is 1, 0, 1, 2, this one, plus L. L as a form L1, L2, this one. C as a form is 0, 1. So this determinant, quite easy to compute. It is equal, should be equal to this one. It is S2 plus 2S plus 1 due to this. So I compute this determinant, and I will get S2 plus S times minus 3 plus L2 plus L1 minus L2 plus 2, and this should be equal to s2 plus 2s plus 1. Thus, this should be equal to that, and this to that. Okay. I get L2 equal to 5 and L1 equal to 4. As a consequence, if I put here 4 for L1 to 4 and here to 5, then I will have a convergence, an error between x hat 1, x1, x hat 2, x2 converging to 0. So after 1 second, 0 is almost 0. Now, in the question, I have to find, the state equation of the observer, just to build it, for instance. So the state var, the input of this system is y and u, and the output of this system is the state I want. So it means that it will be x hat 1, x hat 2. So the expression of this system is derivative of x, and here the output is x hat, this, and here I am only allowed to put the state itself, so x hat, and also the input, and the input is u and y, so u and y. So it is what I have to do. So the second line is easy. For the output is x hat equal x hat. Here, of course, I will have a minus lc x hat plus bu plus ly. Okay, y here. So this is the evolution matrix of my observer. This B and L correspond to the control matrix, and the observation matrix is the identity. This observer has for input u and y, and for output x hat. Of course, I know A, L, C, and so on, so I can rewrite as follows to finish the exercise. The observer is x hat dot equal to 1 minus 4, 1 minus 3 x hat plus 0, 4, 2, 5 u and y, the input of my observer, x hat equal x hat, u, y, x hat.